Hello everybody. Today we're gonna make beef caldereta. It's Filipino recipe. Let's start. First step, we have one piece of carrot with one piece of potato. We cut it medium size. We fry for around 5 minutes and we take it out. Now in the pan we add some oil, we add onion with garlic, we mix for 1 minute, and after we add the beef, we mix it together and we leave it in the medium heat for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste with 1 cup of water. We mix it well, we cover and we leave it for 10 minutes in the medium heat. After 10 minutes, we add 1 tablespoon of peanut butter with 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, and we add 1 tablespoon of salt, black pepper, dry chili pepper. We mix it very well for 1 minute. After we add half cup of tomato sauce and we take back the carrot and the potato what we fry, we mix it together and we leave it in the medium heat for 5 minutes more. After 5 minutes, we add 1 piece of onion with red pepper and green pepper with some chili, green pepper. And we add half cup of frozen peas and we add 1 cup of water. We mix it, we cover and we leave it in the medium heat for 10 minutes more. After 10 minutes, our food is cooking. Totally, we cook around 45 minutes. Food ready for served. We can serve with rice. Hope everybody like our recipe today. Thank you for watching. See you for next video.